Hi, welcome to the Voiceflow Quickstart training video. In this video, we're going to be covering some of the main features that users like to access when they are initially setting up their own user. So here we are at portal.voiceflow.com.au, or you can go to our webpage, voiceflow.com.au, top right hand corner to access our portal. Let's enter our username, our password, and our domain. Your domain will more than likely be your company name .voiceflow.com.au. Click login. Here you'll be presented with the Voiceflow dashboard. We can quickly see any new voicemail messages, any missed calls in the last 24 hours, any recent calls in the last 24 hours, and we also have quick access to our call routing. We can see if any call forward is enabled, any follow me rules are enabled, or if a do not disturb is enabled. Quickly modify any of those by clicking on the pencil icon. One of the first things I recommend to do is coming up to Home, Account Settings, and changing your password. This is the password for the Voiceflow portal. Let's go back to that dashboard. If we click on the three dots here, drop down, you can see all the voicemail boxes that you're attached to. Most users will only see one voicemail box here. Others may see multiple voicemail boxes if they're attached to group voicemail boxes. If you click on one of those voicemail boxes, you will be brought to the voicemail messages screen where you can see all the voicemail messages. You can play them, you can download them. If transcription is enabled, it's generally enabled by default, you can also read your voicemail messages. You can select them, you can delete them from within here as well. If we come into settings, one of the most commonly accessed features is to change the voicemail password. The default password is 4 zeros. We can change it from here. You can also change it from the handset as well. We can also set play tutorial to true. Now what that does is when you press the voicemail button on your handset, it will take you through a tutorial to record your name, to record your greeting message, and also to set the password. As soon as the tutorial is done, this will automatically go back to false. If you ever want to have the tutorial play again, come back in here, set it to true, press save, and it will play next time you press the voicemail button. Another commonly accessed feature is call routing. If we click on the pencil icon, what we can do, well, one of the first things I recommend to do is enable not registered. Pop your mobile phone number in here. And what that will do is if your phone isn't registered, potentially for a power outage, an internet outage with no backup, you won't miss any calls. Anyone who still calls you directly will then go to this not registered number. So it's always recommended to set that up straight away. A lot of users also like to enable their follow me or find me, follow me rules initially as well. So I always recommend put your own extension in here. So in this case, 205, I will have no delay and timeout of 10 seconds. That means it's going to ring 205, my desk phone, for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, because I have a delay in here of 10 seconds, if I want them to ring at the same time, I can set the delay to 0 seconds, which will mean it will ring my desk phone and my mobile at the same time. But in this case, we'll set the delay to 10 seconds and a timeout of 30 seconds. And we also have the confirm prompt. So what the confirm prompt will do is it basically stops the mobile phone voicemail from answering the call. When you answer the call from your mobile with confirm enabled, it will ask you to press 1 to answer the call. So obviously a mobile phone voicemail box isn't going to press 1. Only a user can press 1 to answer that call. If the call's not answered by the mobile or by your desk phone, in this case, it's going to go straight to the desk phone voicemail box, more than likely go voicemail to email and be emailed to you. I will press save to save that. To access call recordings, come up to Reporting, Call Detailed Records. You can do a quick search from within here. Let's search for all inbound calls that were answered. Click search. We have one show up here. If there was a recording for this, we would see a play button here. If I reset that, we see a recording here. We can play that and we can download that recording. And these are the most commonly accessed features. If you'd like more information on any of the features in the portal, please check the description below or check our YouTube channel. Thank you.